In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a page in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll feel confident opening your project, navigating to the exact page you want, selecting any element on that page, and making clean, professional edits using the toolbar that appears. Start by opening Adobe Express and your project. Give the editor a moment to load everything, especially if your project has multiple pages or high-resolution images. If you keep several projects, double-check you've opened the correct one so your changes go exactly where you intend. It helps to glance at the canvas size and overall layout to confirm you're in the right place before you begin. Next, go to the page you want to edit. If your project has more than one page, you'll usually see page thumbnails along the side. Click the one you want to work on so it becomes active on the main canvas. If it's a single-page design, you're already set. Take a second to scan the page so you know which elements you'll update first. Now click directly on the element you want to change, whether it's text, an image, or a shape. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box and small handles around it. That's your cue that it's ready to edit. If you accidentally select the wrong layer, simply click again on the correct one. Drag the element slightly to confirm you've selected the right object before making changes. Make your edits using the toolbar that appears. For text, choose a font that matches your design style, adjust the size for readability, and refine alignment so everything feels balanced. You can change color, tweak line spacing and letter spacing, and apply effects like shadow or outline for emphasis. Keep an eye on contrast to ensure your text stays easy to read against the background. For images, use the toolbar to replace a photo, crop to focus on the subject, or adjust zoom and positioning within a frame. You can apply filters, tweak brightness and contrast, and use corner handles to resize without distortion. If something looks off, undo is your friend, so feel free to step back and try again. For shapes, adjust fill and border colors, change thickness or corner radius, and align elements neatly. Snap guides help you keep everything straight and evenly spaced. As you edit, pause to review your changes at full size and zoomed in. Adobe Express saves as you go, so your progress is preserved. Repeat these same steps for any other elements on the page, and you're done. That's how you quickly and confidently edit a page in Adobe Express.